All right, where are we going?
We're going
You think it's how many? This is a clown truck now. How many clowns can we get in one truck?
One more person.
One more. We can probably get one more. Let's pick up a homeless guy here.
Always room for one more. Okay, here
right.
we come cruising.
All right, where are we going, Terry?
We're going cruising.
Okay.
Cozumel, my favorite.
All right, yeah, for the 50th time. Say bye.
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 Yet one more time on the Paradise for the big changes. Okay, what's the hold up here? I guess we got us a good old-fashioned backup. We'll bring that to you in a minute. I am with
Jessica Nanny.
Where y'all from?
Orlando.
Orlando, all the way from Orlando.
All the way from Orlando.
Where are we going?
To Cozumel.
Does it matter?
No, it doesn't
No.
matter actually. No.
Tony's out there.
That's right. What are y'all gonna do at the end of the night? What are you gonna get?
Get in trouble.
Try
Chocolate martini?
Yes,
No, not gonna get a chocolate martini? Nah. Oh, don't knock it till you try it.
Yeah, okay.
All right. What's your favorite YouTube channel? Forgot, didn't you?
Yes, I did.
Or
Don't
you
know the
two
name, but
cruising?
Yes.
All right. This is our group, 180 strong.
He did say that.
We're gonna come to a stop again. And then a little closer. I'm not sure what takes people so long to walk over a little ramp. Muster time. So here we are on the Carnival Paradise, you know, our home away from home, and this is only a portion of our friends, a portion. We've got about 180 coming on. They all got laid by my wife. There's Savio. So here these guys keep following us around, but yeah, we got all the bartenders here laid, but they're all around the corner over there. You can't see them. That Pat got laid. Here we are with Donkey and Todd. Where are you at, Todd? Oh, you're right there, Todd. And all the rest of the clan.
Let's party into
Oh, yeah.
Seen that on the Paradise.
This is going to be horrible, Donkey. This is because you got a promotion, right?
Yeah.
You're over him now.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry, Todd.
It's gonna be good.
Make
Cheese
sure
cake.
he.
Bye.
I would. All right, here I am with Billy. Really, Billy. Wait a minute, that's Billy.
That's Billy.
That's Billy over there. Anyway, where are you from?
Oh, from Atlanta, Georgia.
All right. So, how many cruises is this?
This is my third.
Your third?
Third cruise.
Which other ships?
Huh? I've been on Paradise on a holiday, and I've been on one more.
A holiday?
Yeah, long
I hate
time
to tell you this, Billy, but you're telling your age.
Yeah.
Anyway, so what's your favorite YouTube channel?
Party of the Two Cruises.
That's Billy.
Yep.
Right there, Billy,
Thank
buddy.
you.
Put it there.
All right.
All right, buddy. You have a great time.
You too.
And don't forget to don't be a stranger.
I will not.
I know you won't. I can tell. It's Pat. Pat, we brought you a little something, some M&Ms.
She's so good.
Just fix that little sweet
Thank
tooth.
you, Pat.
Because we're gonna miss you.
We love
Because
Pat.
you're gonna be gone when we come back.
Yeah.
We don't come back till the 26th of December.
I have a magic.
Where are you going? Do you know where you're going?
I go to magic.
The magic. Oh, we don't have the magic, but no, it's not magic because we're not going to be on there, Pat. But we might just book one for the heck of it.
You see Pat. Thank you,
Thank you, Pat. You've been great. I love you, and goodbye. Not forever. Actually got Wanda's glasses on. What do y'all think?
I might have a drink package today.
Oh, there's that Carolyn. We got Wanda. Why are the bars closed down?
Because I forgot to do my mustard station.
Go get your mustard drill done, Wanda.
Y'all got me drinking. I'm going.
Here we are with Wanda and Terry and Terry. Too many Terrys. Wanda, what do you want to say to your husband?
I want to say, hey, missing all the fun. I'm here with my family. This is my family right here, but we're having a great time on the Carnival Paradise, and we miss you.
I miss you too. I need another man to help me out. I got all these daggum women.
Yep.
And you know how that can go.
We're having a ball. And we haven't even sailed yet.
Oh no, we're still at the dock.
We're still docked in Tampa.
And I got one drinking beer.
I know.
Look, show him.
You got me drinking beer.
Big ultras. He's got milk ultras. Say goodbye. Say I love you, honey.
I love you.
So it's pouring outside, raining pretty hard. Believe it or not, doesn't look like it, but it is raining pretty hard outside. So we're leaving Tampa now. Here we are, heading out to sea. No, that's 10. How many does it take?
No clue.
15. It's not it's supposed to be done with the couple. It's not that. Pick a card. Okay. Have a look at it.
I wouldn't have picked that
Show it
one.
around. Show it around. Just don't shoot it.
Oh, good card, Shirley.
Place it back. Is it what stop?
Can you shuffle them? Shuffle them, please.
Shuffle. Okay, wait. I just shuffle. But I'll also do like the casino shuffle. Done? Okay. Just say the word stop for me.
I picked the card.
Yeah? Here? Okay. Have a look at the card that you stopped at, and it's going to be the same card that she picked. Because I'm a magician, right?
No way.
Sleight of hand. Is it the same card?
Yes.
Is it the same card, sir? You had like 51 options.
Holy
You
crap.
had like 51 choices.
All right, let me see all your cards though. Let's see
Yeah,
what I hit.
it's all different. It's all different. Okay.
So Terry's first appetizer, French onion dressing on salad. I got the Caesar salad. Teresa got the garden salad. All right, my second appetizer, shrimp cocktail. Third appetizer, roasted tomato soup. Terry's still working on her salad. Terry got the chicken parmesan, and I got,
No, I'm good. I'm just gonna have my salad.
I don't even know what that is.
I ordered the sweet sour shrimp. You can cancel it.
I got this fish,
I'm okay with
mahi
salad.
mahi.
Yeah.
I got tiramisu, watermelon. I got the tiramisu. Teresa got nothing. Like they think they're gonna outdo us. That's pretty good. Oh, darn it. So this is our door. Well, good evening. It's that time. Very loud in here. She's going to bed and I don't even know why we tell you.
It's been a great cruise day, first day. Someone told me all her cruise, but I'm getting sleepy now.
Not me. So, anyway, we'll see you tomorrow. Tomorrow's a sea day. You know where we'll be. We met a lot of cool people today, as you saw in the video. So we'll see you in the morning. Good night. Good night.